BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What are we gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery.
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here. Don't come here.
There's a vending machine. I want to buy a soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm going to find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple. Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Meow Meow, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Mew Mew's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! Please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Mew Mew, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Magical kitchenware. It's so hard being a salesman. I haven't sold any kitchenware all morning. Huh? Mr. Fu's restaurant? I'd better eat first. Huh?
The score is 1-1 right now. On to the next round.
Cooking competition? Huh? It's Mew Mew! That's awesome! I sure hope that she wins!
Judge, my oven is broken.
Oh no!
Look, my cake is burnt.
You'll just have to find another way, or Hank will win.
Mew Mew, I'll help you! Oven! This is my magical oven. Just cook anything in it for 3 seconds and it will become something delicious.
But I don't know how to use it.
I'll help you. Hey. Ta-da! Fresh and delicious fluffy cotton candy out of the oven. Whoop.
Wow, it tastes good.
And this burnt cake, just put it in the oven for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Wow, what a magical oven! Now the score is 2-1. Mew Mew is 1 point ahead.
Yeah, all right.
Now it's the stir-frying round. The cooking fumes are making Hank cough. How is Mew Mew doing?
I think I can't breathe.
Watch this! Frying pan. This is a magical wok. Hey. 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 It fries automatically without fumes. Hey. Food won't spill out. And you'll get a lot of food with only a small amount of ingredients. Woohoo!
It smells great! What a magical wok! Mew Mew gets one.
I have a magical pot too. Soup pot.
What is this magical kitchenware?
This is my magical pot. It makes soup in 3 seconds and serves it automatically.
It smells great. I need a big bowl.
Huh? Mr. Fu, please try some of our soup.
Great! I'll have some in the super big bowl. Oh.
So delicious. It is really good. Mew Mew gets 1 point. It's now 4-1. Mew Mew is in the lead.
Whoa, we have cake, veggies, and soup already. Oh, now I'm going to make some fresh fruit juice. Juice maker.
It's wrong! The outlet should be at the bottom and the inlet at the top.
Oh, you're right. I'll have to
But
reassemble.
we're running out of time.
No problem. Let's make a fruit platter. This magical juicer can turn fruits into juice. So, if it's the wrong way around, it can turn juice into fruits.
Is that possible?
Of course. Mr. Fu, could you please give me some mixed fruit juice? Hey. Hee ha! Da-da-da! Hey! Whoa!
Wow!
Now it's 5-1. How amazing! Now I declare today's winner is...
Oh, I object! It wasn't even Mew Mew that cooked. It was Kiki, and he's not a contestant, so he cannot win.
Hank is right. Kiki is not a contestant, so he cannot win.
Mew Mew, I'm sorry. I was trying to help, but I ruined everything.
It's okay. I didn't win, but it was fun using your magical kitchenware. Can I buy them?
Really? You're my first customer.
I would like a set for my restaurant too.
Hold on. Me too.
They're mine. I'll buy all of Kiki's kitchenware.
Woohoo! I sold them all! I sold them all! Whee! Yay!
It's so hot! I want to go swimming!
Swimming? Guys, let's join him! Five-colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns red and the candy says, "Where is my red-colored clothes?" Four-colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns yellow and the candy says, "Where is my yellow-colored clothes?" Three-colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns blue and the candy says,
Where is my blue-colored clothes?
"Oh no! I'm going to ask the candy maker what happened to us." Two-colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns green and the candy says, "Where is my green-colored clothes? Where is my green-colored clothes?" One-colored candy goes swimming. He jumps into a cup of water. The water turns purple and the candy says, "Where is my purple-colored
Oh
clothes?"
my! Who are you?
We are five-colored
Oh,
candies.
why did all of you become white? I'm making delicious hamburgers. It smells great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hamburgers are ready.
Hamburgers jumping on the tray. One of them fell on the table. The cook gets angry and he says to them,
No more hamburgers jumping on the tray. No more hamburgers jumping on the tray.
Jumping on the tray. One of them fell on the table. The cook gets angry and he says to them,
No more hamburgers jumping on the tray. No more hamburgers jumping on the tray.
One little hamburger jumping on the tray. He missed his step and fell on the table. The cook gets angry and says to him,
No more hamburgers jumping on the tray.
Let's keep jumping.
Hi, everyone. I'm a dessert chef. Today, I'm going to make some rainbow ice cream. It tastes really good. I need white milk, yellow mangoes, red strawberries, blueberries, and I also need orange, green, and purple fruits.
Wow, donuts!
Hi, Rudolph.
Mr. Dow, may I have a donut, please?
Sure.
Wow! Nom 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 nom. It's pretty good. Thank you. Here are some grapes I just picked for you.
Wow, the purple fruit. Great, that's what I need. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
And now orange and green. Let's go ahead and find them. Huh?
Dessert truck! Wait! Wait!
Huh? Huh? Momo?
That looks so yummy!
It's shaved ice. Hold on, please.
Wow! It's really sweet! Better than carrots!
Carrots?
Yes! Here, have some carrots!
Huh? Carrots? That's right. Carrots are orange. Momo, I'll help you.
Huh? What are they doing?
Let's go and find out. Momo, Mr. Dow, are you pulling the carrot?
Yes!
We can help you.
Thanks!
You're welcome.
Huh? Wow! That's great! Now I found the orange for the rainbow ice cream! But what about the green fruit?
The green fruit?
I can find it. Follow me.
Ah!
Look, Mr. Dow, is this the fruit that you've been looking for?
Wow! Amazing! Let's make some rainbow ice cream!
Yeah! Let's make some special ice cream. Pour milk, yeah! Now the fruit, colorful! Turn on the machine. Let's make it. Let's make it! Yummy, 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 yummy. Mew Mew's ice cream. Come on, everybody. La la la, it's dessert time. Juice or ice cream, which do you prefer? La la la, it's dessert time. Juice or ice cream, which do you prefer?
Hello, everyone. I'm Kiki.
I'm Mew Mew.
Today, we're gonna visit Mr. Mole's candy shop and help him.
Wow, it sounds great. Let's go together. BabyBus, change into candy shop owners. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy, and lollipops are here.
Whoa! So many candies!
Welcome to my candy shop. How about some milk candy? How about some cotton candy? Or try this pumping sugar? It's delicious and fun. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy, and lollipops are here. I like rainbow candies. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy. Everybody try some, please.
Hey, guys! What do you want?
Lollipops, please.
Fruit candy, please. Rainbow candy, please.
Here you are. Please come again.
Kiki, Mew Mew, I'm back.
Mr. Mole!
Many of our friends came and bought our candies.
Thank you for your help today.
Today, Kiki and Mew Mew helped Mr. Mole. Let's give them medals.